Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming you can log in and that two-factor authentication is accessible. This avoids lockouts mid-change. Once logged in, go straight to your profile, tap Edit Details, and locate Places Lived. Enter the city name exactly as Facebook recognizes it, include ZIP if you want geotargeting, and pick who sees the update. Do this now so subsequent steps modify the correct profile fields and prevent duplicate locations or sync errors. You now add the new city in the current city field, selecting the official suggestion from the drop-down. This links to Facebook's location database. If you moved, add dates to show the move timeline. This helps friends and privacy filters. Make sure to change hometown only if that actually changed, because they behave differently. Once you save, immediately check your profile on both mobile and desktop. This confirms the entry synced and appears correctly across devices. You finish by confirming visibility settings and optionally posting a timeline update to announce the move. This informs friends while controlling audience. If the city doesn't appear, retype it fully and pick the exact suggestion. Partial matches can create duplicates, so be precise. Once done, clear app cache or log out and back in if changes don't show. If problems persist, use Facebook's Report a Problem tool. This escalates sync errors to support for resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.